So when people ask me what are the best window brands, I always tell them, in our industry, you know who the companies are that are cheap. And cheap, in home improvement especially, cheap has the connotation of not just inexpensive, but also not good. It's like, I use an example that has nothing to do with windows or doors or siding or anything like that. Faucet hardware. You can buy faucet hardware that's really expensive, and you can buy faucet hardware that's incredibly cheap. If you buy the incredibly cheap faucet hardware for your sink or whatever, we all know that we'll be replacing that again sooner than we expect. Whereas if you buy the really expensive faucet hardware, we all know that should last forever. And there's of course excesses to either way, like you can spend 20 times more for a faucet than you need to, and yes, it will be wonderful, but you're paying for the design or the aesthetics or the brand name or whatever, stuff like that. But when you buy home improvements, if you buy inexpensive home improvements, the only thing you get for less is less. And when you buy an expensive home improvement, usually, keyword usually, you're getting a high-end product. There are, of course, exceptions to that rule. There's rip-off companies where they're just way overcharging you and taking advantage of somebody, which is stupid. But most companies, premium end companies, you're gonna recognize that this is a good product, it's a high-end product, it's gonna have a higher end price tag, but that'll be a reputable company that'll put in a good product and be there to stand behind it. And I would love to tell you that Thermal King is the only company that meets that criteria, but there are other good companies. But we are definitely, in Kansas City and Omaha, one of the long-term, stand behind it, good companies, fair price for a very high-end product.